So as you guys can see, even with a big case, you can still mount this on, and you can adjust this to however you want. So you could have it turned however you want to adjust this. It's 360-degree rotation. You can have it facing down. You can have it facing upward, flat up, straight down, and then you can tighten this so it doesn't move. So hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a universal vloggers kit, filmmaking kit for mobile phones. Let's go ahead and show you what you get inside. So this is professional quality, directional sound pickup as well. So right away we see they provide you with a guide and a manual. They provide you with everything that you need to professionally, you can start your own business with this kit. That's how nice it is. Provide you with the mic, the cover, everything needed. Look at this, guys. This is a really nice kit. This is really, really nice. You can mount multiple items on this. You can position this so you can turn your phone all around. It's a solid tripod as well. Wow, this is really nice. So you can actually put your tripod out as far as you'd like, or just like that. They supply you with all the connections, the wires, the cables, everything needed. They have your phone mount as well. So you just press this to extend for your phone. We're going to go ahead and mount this on, open this up so we can move it around. Really nice so far. So far I'm really impressed. And check this out, guys. Look at this light. You have a dim CT on the back, a little display, power button. This is really nice, guys. This kit, I wish I had this kit when I first started. Wow, this is nice. So we probably have to charge this, which is charged with the Type-C cable. And yeah, they supply you with that as well. So this kit is fully ready to go, full professional. We're going to go ahead and we're going to charge the light a while. Wow. So look at that. You can do all kinds of different colors. So dim. You can change the brightness of it. And on the back there's the display for the brightness. You can turn for different modes. There's the white. So there's the color. So you can go the whole way. Let's see how high you can go. So you can go up to 9,000K. Let's see how low you can go. Wow. All the way down to 2,500K. And that, what the CT is, that changes your color. So, yep, overall this is really nice so far. So as you guys can see, even with a big case, you can still mount this on, and you can adjust this to however you want. So you could have it turned however you want to adjust this. It's 360-degree rotation. You can have it facing down. You can have it facing upward, flat up, straight down, and then you can tighten this so it doesn't move. So whatever position you want, you just tighten it, and that's where it's going to stay. So yeah, let's go ahead and go over some other features here. Let's show you guys how this works. So you can mount your light on like this. It's going to depend on how you want it. You can have it upward, you can have it downward. Again, that's all going to depend on what you're doing with your item, with your phone, with your vlogging. Have it out like that. Press this button to release. This opens and lifts it up, so that allows you to move. And then what you'll do is, as you press this, move this up, place your device, your phone in here, press this down, and that holds your phone device in place. For the mic, you would go ahead and you would mount, it depends where you want the mic at. You can mount that on your shirt or out the side. So let's go ahead and show you how that works. Alright, just like that. And now for the mic, you connect your cable in the back underneath it. This gets connected into your phone jack. So just position it however you want. For the mic, let's go ahead over here. This gets placed right inside like this. Okay, so now we are good to go with that, and it's all set up. I mean, this is seriously your own professional vlogging station. Absolutely amazing. This is really, really nice, my friends. If you're outside, no problem. You can just put on this wind guard as well. Overall, this is really nice. Make sure you check out your manual and guide for more information, but this is really nice. Like, this is really, really nice. This is definitely going to be my go-to in-office vlogging kit. So I'm going to set this up in my office. Absolutely. Hey guys, under your video setting, you would depends on your phone, but once you have the mic plugged in, all you got to go under is your settings and turn on the external mic, and you're good to go. So that's all you guys have to do. Right there.